Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi everybody. So this is the project I want to share with you today. It is a fold flat box, and I thought that this kind of a thing might be good for, you know, the upcoming holidays, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. So, oh my goodness. This paper is called Tranquil Textures, and I really like it because it's kind of a wood textury paper. It's very nondescript. It could be masculine for a masculine gift. I really like it, and it's different, and I think that's why I like it so much. All right, so I'm going to show you right from the get-go how to get this box from this piece of paper. I'm not even going to use my scoring tool. I'm going to use my trimmer. So I'm sliding it in, and at 5.5, I'm going to cut. Okay. And then I have two pieces. My first piece, I'm scoring, so I'm going to move my cutter out of the way, and I'm going to use my score. I'm going to score at half, which is right there. And then I'm going to score at 3. And then 6 and pulling the arm out. Okay, so 6.5 is right in the middle there in that crease. Make sure that that one's at 3.5. And score. Okay, so now we're turning it at the half mark again. And then go to 3. Okay, so that's what you should have. I'm going to do that on the second one too. So I'm going to do it a little differently though. I'm going to use this half mark here. It's easier. All right, and then I'm just going to flip it around. 3 and 6.5. Then I'm going to, again, flip it around. So I'm going to score at the half mark. Flip it around because it's easier. And at 3. Okay. Okay, we're going to fold and burnish all the score lines. I have a little bit of fast fuse left, just a little. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my fast fuse on the middle here. Oop, there's a fruit fly in here. All right, so you can see that there's a 1/2 inch score line here and a 1/2 inch score line here. So what I'm going to do is marry these score lines up together. And seal right here. Then I'm going to cut up on all the score lines on this side. Okay, that one is obviously going to go. And there would be one over here as well. And you can trim these off, you know, before you adhere everything. I get it. I did things backwards today. I'm just trying to make it as simple as possible. Now, if I was to fold this box up, I would find out that this is going to be the back. So opposite is going to be the front. And I need to cut this guy off. Do you see where I'm getting that? So this, I'm going to keep this as the lid. So this one's going to go. All right, so I'm going to do the same with this. If I make this one the lid, then the opposite one has to go. Easy. Okay, now that's the lid. So these have got to be our sides. So what I like to do for my sides is make them equal. So I'm going to fold that guy in and fold this guy in. And then I just kind of accordion fold it all up, have it approximate, and then I'm just going to cut them all at once. Like that. And do this one all at once. And then what you're left with is that. So I'm going to go in and miter the corners and maybe even straighten up a little bit. You can do these one at a time too if you wanted. I did them all at once because then I kind of know exactly how that they're all kind of going to be the same length. All right. One last thing, I'm going to miter these corners, not too much. Perfecto. All right, so now all I have to do is put adhesive along this. Oops. Okay. Now, moment of truth. Folding the corners in. Love it when a plan comes together. Woohoo! It's a beautiful little box. All right, so I have some more. This was mint macaron, by the way. So this is that Tranquil Textures paper. Look at it. I love it. It's different. It almost looks like alien skin. I know you all think that I'm a weirdo, and you were pretty much right. I got the bug of science fiction from my father. Okay, so the designer series paper is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, and you need 4 of them, and one on the top, 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 square. So I can see a lot of applications for this tiny little box. It's not super tiny little though, is it? Oh no, it's sizable. It would hold lovely gifties, a figurine, a perfume bottle. I bought my 3 1/4 inch punch, this punch, 3 1/4 inch, for this purpose only, for a nail hole. Boop. So that people can open and know which way is up. Now, I had these punched, like, made for a different project. I can't remember what it was, but I have a whole bunch of them. So I'm going to go ahead and use them. This was from the Label Me Pretty stamp set, and this is the Thank You for Caring. There, it's cute. This is the pretty label punch. A couple of dimensionals. That is nice. Put that on the, oh. Ooh, ooh. I'm putting it on the front. Perfect size, don't you think? I love that. Excellent. All right, so that's my project for today. Of course, the list of everything is on the blog. There's a direct link in the description box, and I will see you on Monday. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.